Good day, everyone. Welcome to Emotions and Stories. Our story for today is called The Brave Forest Ranger. Deep in the heart of the dense jungle, a forest ranger named Arjun was hailed as a protector of wildlife and a guardian of the forest. Daily, he patrolled the wilderness, ensuring the safety of its creatures from threats like poachers and illegal loggers. One fateful afternoon, Arjun noticed suspicious footprints by the riverbanks. Heavy boots, not the usual marks left by the animals. His instinct told him something was wrong. Following the trail cautiously, Arjun discovered a group of poachers setting up traps near the jungle's largest watering hole, where a herd of elephants often gathered. The poachers were armed and prepared to capture the elephants for their tusks. Despite being outnumbered, Arjun knew he couldn't let them harm the animals. Quickly thinking on his feet, Arjun radioed for backup but knew he had to act fast to buy time. Using his deep knowledge of the jungle, he created diversions, mimicking animal sounds and throwing rocks to mislead the poachers. Confused and disoriented, the poachers wandered into a dense patch of thorny bushes. Meanwhile, the elephants sensed the danger and moved deeper into the forest. When reinforcements arrived, the poachers were surrounded and arrested. The jungle was safe once again, and the elephants trumpeted loudly, as if thanking their brave protector. Arjun's courage, quick thinking had saved the day. Courage and quick action in the face of danger can protect the voiceless and preserve the balance of nature. We hope you like this little story. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.